Welcome to our module on talent acquisition. Today, we'll explore this crucial function for building a strong workforce. Talent acquisition is a strategic approach, focusing on how to build a workforce that is truly ready for the future challenges. Now, let's clearly differentiate between talent acquisition and traditional recruitment, as they are often confused. It's important to understand the core differences between these two concepts to appreciate their distinct roles. First, let's look at the fundamental approach each of these processes takes in the organization. Talent acquisition adopts a long-term, strategic mindset, looking far ahead into the organization's needs. It's a proactive and future-focused process, anticipating needs rather than just reacting to them as they arise. Next, let's consider the primary focus areas that distinguish talent acquisition from recruitment efforts. Talent acquisition emphasizes employer branding and continuously building a robust pipeline of potential talent. It also prioritizes the candidate experience and integrates deeply with overall workforce planning initiatives. In contrast, traditional recruitment has a different orientation, which we'll explore next. Recruitment is typically short-term and reactive, often responding to immediate job openings as they occur. Its main purpose is to fill immediate job openings quickly, addressing current staffing needs. Finally, let's compare the ultimate goals that drive both talent acquisition and recruitment processes. The goal of talent acquisition is to build a strong pipeline of candidates for future organizational needs. Conversely, recruitment aims to fill current job vacancies as quickly and efficiently as possible. Now, let's delve into why talent acquisition is so critically important for any successful organization today. It plays a vital role in driving overall business growth and directly contributing to long-term success. Firstly, effective talent acquisition helps you consistently attract the very best talent available in the market. It proactively seeks out and engages with high-quality candidates, rather than waiting for them to apply. Secondly, it significantly enhances your employer branding, making your company more attractive to professionals. A strong employer brand builds a great company reputation, naturally attracting skilled professionals to your organization. Thirdly, a well-executed talent acquisition strategy can effectively reduce your overall hiring costs. By improving workforce planning, it minimizes expensive last-minute hiring, saving the company significant resources. Another key benefit is that it significantly improves employee retention within your organization. Hiring the right people from the start reduces turnover and ultimately increases overall job satisfaction. Finally, talent acquisition is crucial for supporting any future business expansion plans. It ensures organizations always have the necessary talent to scale their operations and achieve growth. Now, let's explore the complete talent acquisition lifecycle, outlining each crucial stage involved. It all begins with thorough workforce planning, identifying future talent needs and skill gaps. Next, we focus on building a strong employer brand and actively sourcing potential candidates. Following that, we move into the critical stages of screening and carefully selecting the best candidates. Once selected, we extend offers and complete the official hiring process for new employees. After hiring, effective onboarding is essential to integrate new hires smoothly into the company culture. Finally, the cycle continues with strategies for employee retention and continuous professional development. Let's explore the key steps involved in effective workforce planning, a crucial process for any organization. This structured approach is essential for successful talent management, ensuring your organization has the right people. First, we analyze our current workforce to understand existing skills, roles, and employee demographics thoroughly. Next, we forecast future needs, predicting the skills and roles your organization will require in the coming years. Then, we identify skill gaps by comparing current capabilities with future requirements to see where we need to grow. Following this, we develop targeted strategies to address these gaps through training, hiring, or redeployment initiatives. Finally, we implement these strategies and continuously monitor their effectiveness to make necessary adjustments. Now, let's dive into 5 best practices that will significantly enhance your talent acquisition efforts. These are proven strategies designed to effectively attract and retain the very best talent for your organization. First, build a strong employer brand to make your company an attractive place for potential candidates to work. Showcase your company's culture, values, and highlight employee success stories to draw in top-tier candidates effectively. Secondly, leverage data and analytics to make informed decisions and optimize your recruitment processes efficiently. Utilize AI-driven recruitment tools, applicant tracking systems, and workforce analytics for smarter hiring decisions. Third, develop a robust talent pipeline, ensuring you always have a pool of qualified candidates ready. Engage with potential candidates early through networking and industry events, even before specific job openings arise. Fourth, significantly improve the candidate experience, making their journey with your company positive and smooth. Provide clear communication, ensure fast response times, and create a seamless, positive interview process for all. Finally, leverage employee referrals, which are often the most effective way to find high-quality candidates. Encourage your employees to refer top talent. This significantly improves both hiring efficiency and quality. Let's examine the key hiring trends that are currently shaping the modern workforce and its future. It's crucial to adapt to this constantly evolving talent landscape to remain competitive and effective. A major trend is the increased use of AI and automation in recruitment processes for greater efficiency. AI streamlines candidate screening, job matching, and interview scheduling, making the entire process more efficient. Another trend is skills-based hiring, focusing on what candidates can do rather than just their degrees. This approach prioritizes practical skills and relevant experience, often over traditional academic degrees, for better fit. Remote and hybrid work models continue to be a significant trend, offering flexibility to employees. These models expand talent pools globally and significantly improve work-life balance for many professionals. Diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives are paramount, focusing on creating fair and equitable workplaces. Organizations actively seek diverse talent to foster innovation, strengthen culture, and enhance overall business performance. Finally, employer branding and candidate experience are more critical than ever in attracting top talent. Companies are investing heavily in strong branding and ensuring positive candidate journeys to stand out. Now, let's address some of the emerging challenges that talent acquisition professionals are currently facing. It's essential to understand these obstacles to effectively navigate today's complex and competitive hiring landscape. On one side, we have various challenges that directly impact the hiring process itself. One significant challenge is widespread talent shortages, making it difficult to fill specialized roles. High employee turnover also poses a challenge, as companies constantly need to replace departing staff. A long and drawn-out hiring process often leads to frustration for both candidates and recruiters. The ongoing debate between remote and office work models presents its own unique set of challenges. Now, let's look at the specific impact these challenges have on the overall hiring process. Talent shortages mean difficulty finding skilled professionals, especially for highly in-demand and specialized roles. High turnover leads to increased hiring costs and the unfortunate loss of valuable, experienced talent. A lengthy process causes candidate drop-off and can significantly delay crucial business growth initiatives. Conflicting preferences regarding work location can lead to significant hiring struggles and missed opportunities. Let's now summarize our discussion and recap the most important points we've covered in this lecture. Here are the key takeaways that you should remember from this introduction to talent acquisition. First, remember that talent acquisition is a strategic, long-term approach focused on building a high-quality workforce for your organization. It differs from traditional, reactive recruitment because it emphasizes proactive planning and building a strong employer brand. A robust talent acquisition strategy is crucial as it directly drives business growth and significantly improves employee retention rates. The talent acquisition lifecycle is your guide, outlining the entire process from initial planning all the way to employee retention. Adapting to new hiring trends and overcoming challenges demands innovation, along with smart, data-driven strategies for success. Finally, effective workforce planning ensures that your hiring needs are perfectly aligned with the overall business objectives.